A phone without a strong battery, a useless device. But the battery isn't only affected by usage, it's also influenced by the settings running in the background without you noticing. Battery settings are basically the remote control that manages the entire device's performance, speed, temperature, battery life, and stability. Let's go through the most important settings you should apply immediately on your phone. 1. Power saving mode. Open device settings. Scroll down and select battery. You'll find a button called power saving. Turn it on. You can also tap it and customize. Disable 5G, lower brightness, reduce processor speed, choose what suits you. This is one of the most popular settings, but many people misunderstand it. When you enable it, the phone slightly reduces processor speed, plus stops some visual animations, plus lowers screen, brightness, plus closes background apps. Result, the battery lasts longer, especially if you're outside without a charger. Downside, performance becomes noticeably slower, especially in games or heavy apps. Turn it on manually only when you really need to extend battery life. For example, traveling, or when battery drops below 20%. 2. Restrict background apps. Open device settings. Scroll down and select battery. Here you'll find 3 lists. Never sleeping apps. Apps you want to always stay active, like WhatsApp or Messenger. Sleeping apps. Apps that will stop running in the background after some time. Deep sleeping apps. Apps that won't run at all unless you open them. Go through each list and assign apps accordingly. 3. Optimize battery usage. Open device settings. Scroll down and select battery. Select power saving. Tap the 3 dots at the top. Choose adaptive power saving. Enable adaptive battery. This is a smart feature available on Android 9 and later. The phone learns which apps you use the most, prioritizes battery for those, and prevents unnecessary power use for others. Example, if you open YouTube every night at 10 p.m., the system will keep that app ready, but it will restrict apps you only open once a month. Keep this feature on all the time. 4. Battery protection. While charging. Open device settings. Scroll down and select battery. Choose battery protection. Turn it on and set the maximum limit. This feature is now available on Samsung, iPhone, and others. The idea, instead of charging to 100% quickly and staying plugged in for hours, the system stops charging at 85% or 80%. Why? Charging to 100% constantly shortens the battery's lifespan. If you usually leave your phone plugged in overnight, you must enable this option. 5. Monitor battery usage and alerts. Open device settings. Scroll down and select battery. Tap battery usage or battery activity. Here you'll see a chart showing which apps consume the most battery. If you notice an app draining too much, tap it, then select background usage limits. Put it in sleeping or deep sleeping mode. By following each step, you've adjusted the most important battery settings inside the battery app. This will help your phone last longer and stay fast. Hope this was helpful. Looking forward to your support. See you in the next video.